A period is a horizontal row on the periodic table. There are 7 periods on the periodic table, while a group is a vertical column on the periodic table, and there are a total of 18 groups. And the atomic number, oops. The atomic number, as you can see, is 1. The symbol is H, and the name is hydrogen, while the atomic mass is 1.00794. As you can see, each color is a different type of nonmetal and metal, with noble gases, poor metals, transition metals, lanthanoids, actinoids, alkaline earth metals, and alkali metals. The electrons, to find out the electrons, you will look at the the group number vertically, number 2, going downwards, so that means it has 2 electrons. So in this case, if we would go further across the periodic table, in this case, look at helium, it would have 8 electrons instead of 18 electrons. Or in this case, fluorine, it would have 7 electrons instead of, in this case, 17 electrons. The periodic table is the atomic number, the atomic mass. I think that's right about it, and yeah, it's just the numbers. That's what it means. In this case, we'll take nitrogen. You can grab 7, the proton, and 14, the atomic mass. 7 minus 14 will be 7 neutrons, and the electrons would be 5. Electrons will be 5, the proton will be 7, and the neutrons will be 7, and that's what you have to make your atomic radius. Same goes for atomic structure. So in this case, we'll take oxygen. You have 8 protons, 16 as the atomic mass. So 8 minus 16 will be 8 neutrons. So 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and the electrons will be 6, since it's right above the group 16. But in this case, we would not say 16, we would say 6. So 6 electrons, 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and with that, you can already build your atomic structure. That's how you found out your electrons, but in this case, the first, never mind, my apologies. The ionization energy decreases as we go down a group. So in this case, like 4, 5, 6, 7. But as it goes down A group, it decreases, but it increases from left to right across the periodic table. So like 13, it will be 3 electrons. 14, it will be 4 electrons. 15, 5 electrons. 16, 6 electrons, and so on. But over here, so like scandium, it would have 3 electrons. Hydrogen, 1 electron, and so on. Have said how the periodic table, how it can help out with the atomic structure, the atomic mass, the electrons, the protons, the neutrons, the atomic radius, the first ionization energy, the atomic number, the groups, the families, the periods, and so on.